Hi, Miami Moms Vlog. So, oh my God, we've got stuff going on, right? Are you guys homeschooling like I'm homeschooling? But we have to work out, and that's so important. So I want to encourage you guys to work out. Today's workout is going to have no equipment because you can do all this stuff at your home and you don't really need much to do it, okay? So are you ready to get started? Okay, so hi there. My name is Adita Lang, and today we're going to do a more or less full body workout, as much as we can get in 30 minutes. Something quick to the point. Are you ready? Here we go. We're going to start off by doing a plie. So I want you to open your legs out wide. Have you guys met my assistant, my lovely Mila Lang? Yes, we're doing everything the family way these days. So feet are spread apart and you're going to plie out. And as you go out, I want you to push your knees out, and then I want you to squeeze your glutes on the way up. So you're going to push out and squeeze up and back out and take it up. And so here's what I want you to do. When you're working out, it's really, really important to be intentional. So by that I mean, don't get crazy. I want you to put music on. Use whatever music you like in the background. But I want you to work feeling your muscles work. So I am pushing my knees out and I am squeezing my glutes to come up, and I'm putting a lot of thought process into it so I get those muscles really, really working, because the more I can engage those muscle fibers, guess what? I burn more calories that way too, and I'm much more efficient. One more time we're going to do this, and we're going to go back down and we're going to hold it here now. We're going to use our inner thighs, and I want you to push the knees in and out. Press them in and out. There you go. Full inhale, full exhale. Press that in and push that out. One more time, and bring that in, and step that out. Oh my gosh, so that's our beginning, right? I'm hopeful that you're pretty much warmed up, because if you're a mom like I am, you've been doing a lot of stuff today, yesterday, and the day before. So here we go. We're gonna balance now on one leg. So you're gonna grab your right toes into the floor and lift up your knee. Oh my gosh. Now, if you feel like you're losing your balance, I want you to find something to stare at. Keep your focus, and you're going to extend your heel out, feel your quadricep tighten, and bring that back in. And again, push that out and in. Now, chest is up. Your abdominals are really, really tight. Full inhale, full exhale. Push with the heel, press it back. Push out and press it back. Straight out and back in. One more time. That's it. Excellent job. Press it out and bring that leg down. How you doing there, assistant? Good? Okay, good. We got our right leg. Pick that leg up. Abs are in. Shoulders are backing down. Chest is up. Pull straight in from those abs. Remember what I said, intentional workouts. So squeezing in from the abs, push through that heel, tighten up the quad, bring it back in, push out and bring it in. Again, straight out and in. Full inhale, full exhale. Push it out and in. Take it out and in. There you go. Press it out. Let's do 4 more. 3. Feel that quad tighten up. 2 and 1. Drop that down. March that out. Moving those legs around. Okay, we're going to do another one. Balancing. Got it? Here we go. Balancing on that right leg. Pick this leg back up again. This time you're going to rotate from the hip. So you're going to try to pull your heel up and then bring it back down again, and rotate up and back down. Again, always pulling in from the abdominals, lifting high from the chest, forcing your shoulders back and down. I always tell people, think of your shoulder blades like you're trying to shove them into your back pockets. Okay, so you pull yourself way up. That's it. And if you could maintain that posture during the day while you're doing your ordinary things, that too is a really good workout. And it's just great to open up the lungs and being able to breathe in more. We're going to do one more time. Press it up and bring that leg down. Other leg, we're going to pull that one up, rotate it in, and back to center. Again, shoulders are back and down, abs are in super, super tight. Press that up and back in. Just keep rotating from the hip. We have all these little muscles in here that help hold this bone into this joint, and we want it to be strong. So press that up and pull that back up and down. 4 more. There you go. 3, 2, one more time, and 1. Move that around. Okay, so let's hit the floor a little bit here, okay? We're going to come down to the ground, and we are going to do push-ups. So Mila, you can do them from your knees, my friend, and I'm going to do them up from my toes, and you guys have choices. Now, the key to a push-up is I want a wide base for your hands. So you want to get really, really wide. Mila, you can keep them on the on the mat. There you go. I'm going to take them to the floor. Abs are in tight, and your goal is to bend your elbows 90 degrees and push back up. Abdominals are super tight. All your weight is in your hands. There you go. And if you tried it on your toes and you're like, I don't think I can do that, you can always just drop the knees down and keep going. The key is that your hips are pushed downward. They're not up in the air, and all your weight is in your hands. Full inhale, full exhale. There you go. 4 more. 3, 2, one more time, and 1. Now we're going to stretch that back. So sit all the way back. Drop that head. There you go. And now come up to all fours. So your knees are right underneath your hips. Your hands are right underneath your shoulders. And you're going to tuck your tush under and round your back up. And then you're going to press that down and round it up and press that down. Full inhale and full exhale. Sometimes when you're like, I don't know, standing in the kitchen too long, or maybe just sitting around too long, your back starts to get tired. This is a great way to loosen it up. Now hold it flat. I want you to take your left leg back, your right arm forward. You're going to look straight at the ground, and you're going to lift and lower that arm and leg a couple of inches. And that's your exercise. We're working the erectors, the muscles of your back. Full inhale, full exhale. The other arm, Mila, the other arm. There you go, opposite side. Stare at the floor, you got it. One more time. That's it. And then we're going to bring that down, and we're going to switch sides. So the arm goes out, the opposite arm, opposite leg, and we're going to lift and lower. The abdominals are super, super tight. Full inhale, full exhale. There you go. That's it. Whew. Keeping those abdominals in. You got it, girl. You got it. One more time. And bring that down. Again, sit back. You can curl your toes under, and you're going to push your hips up to the air and press back. In yoga, they call this downward facing dog. And then bring it right back down to the floor. So we're going to lie down on our back. There we go. Okay. And we're going to start with crunches. So a crunch is the hands behind the head, right? We're going to hold the weight of our head, and you're going to squeeze your rib cage in really tight so it rolls you up. And then you're going to bring that back down. Full inhale, full exhale. Squeezing super tight and bringing it back down. There we go. And again, working out intentionally. So you got to really feel the muscle contract as it squeezes you up. You just need little lifts, not that high. There we go. Full inhale, full exhale. That's it. 4 more. 3 and 2. One more time. There you go. And bring that down. Pull the knees in towards the chest and hug them in. And let's extend both legs up. And you're going to pull those legs in. Pull your toes towards you. Flex them. That's it. The other way. There we go. And bring that down. So now the knees stay in the chest, and you're going to put your hands back behind your head. We're going to do one more set of crunches. And so we're going to squeeze from here. Full inhale, full exhale. There you go. The key is not to pull from the head, and really use those abdominals so that they lift you up off the ground, squeezing as tight as you can. Think of it this way. Your abdominals are connected to your rib cage. So when you pull in your rib cage, you're moving your rib cage towards your pubic bone, and that's what pulls you up off the ground. Didn't mean to get so technical, but that's what it does. Anyways, couple more. 3, 2, one more time. And 1. And bring that down. Hug those knees into the chest one last time here. There we go. And we're going to sit up from there. So I want you to sit up really straight with your legs straight out. Big deep breath. And as you exhale, pull your chest forward and just stretch forward. We're giving ourselves a little stretch, and we'll get back up to standing in a minute here. Here we go. Let's cross one foot up on the knee and stretch that forward as well. Flex these toes back. Leading with the very center of your chest, abdominals nice and tight. And the other leg. Bring that over, chest is up, pull those toes back. There we go. Excellent. And let's go back up to standing. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna go into a lunge. So one leg is in front, one leg is in back. You're up on these back toes, and we're gonna bend the back knee so you get 290 degrees. You don't have to land all the way on the floor, just halfway. Halfway, there you go. And stare straight ahead. Full inhale, full exhale. So as you're coming up, think about contracting this glute to pull you up and really controlling it on the way down. Again, abdominals are super, super tight. There you go. Full inhale and full exhale. That's it. You got 4, 3, 2, one more time, and 1. Bring that up, and we're gonna switch legs. Take the other leg back. Again, up on the toes, nice and tall with the body. Bend that back knee and bring it up and down. Keeping that chest up tall, full inhale, full exhale. You know, the leg muscles are the largest muscles in our body. So when we train them, we tend to burn a little bit more calories using them. So we might as well really get those legs working, right? Full inhale, full exhale. That's it. 4 more. 3, 2, one more time. And 1. Oh, shake that out right there. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do another balance exercise. So pretend like you're holding a ball in your hands, okay? You're gonna pull up your left knee, stare straight ahead, and you're gonna push the imaginary ball out as you kick the leg back. And then you're gonna bring it back up again. And you're gonna push it out. You're gonna tip your body over and bring it in. It's like you're making a human T. And press it out and back in. There we go. Takes a lot of balance. Your ankles have to really work hard, and you got to keep your focus for this, which sometimes is good. It's a little meditative. One more time. And press it out and bring that back. And we're gonna do the same thing with the other leg. Now, if you feel like that's easy, take a can of beans and hold it in between your hands, or a water bottle, that works too. Ready? Knee comes up, and we're gonna press it out, and we're gonna bring it back in. Full inhale, and full exhale. There you go. Big deep breath, big exhale. Keep your focus on one thing. 3 more. That's it. 2. One more time. And 1. And bring that down, and just again shake that out. Oh, yes. Okay. We're going to come back down to the floor, do another set of push-ups, okay? Because that really gets the arms pretty good. Ready there, partner? Okay, here we go. Knees or toes, abs are in nice and tight, and we're going to press it down. Full inhale, full exhale. Separate your hands a little bit more. There you go. Keeping those abdominals nice and steady. You've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring that up. Sit back one more time. Ah, she's ready to stretch. And take that up. And we got one last move. Ready? You're gonna take your right leg out, and I want you to prop yourself up with this left knee. Sit up as straight as you can. That's the key to the whole thing, is sitting up super straight. So now the inside of this leg, you wanna try to lift it and lower it. Now you're gonna wanna lean back because you feel like it's easier, but that's not what I want you to do. I need you to sit up really straight. Chest is high, your toes are turned out, so that inner thigh is the one that's working, pulling you up. 4 more. 3, 2, one more time. And 1. Drop that down. We're going to do the other leg. Bring that up. Turn that toe out, and again, pull it up and bring it down. Full inhale, full exhale. That's it. Lifting the chest up high. There you go. You got 4, 3, 2, one more time. And 1. Excellent job. Bring yourself right to the front. So here's what I want you to do. That little routine we did, you could actually repeat it if you wanted to. Or maybe you're just like, okay, that was enough. I think I've done enough work. Okay, I get that too. But you could repeat it. Okay, and then when you're done, we're gonna do a little stretch here because we deserve it. So you're gonna cross those legs, take the arms out in front, and you're gonna push them out and round your back forward. Again, abdominals are in tight. Pull the arms up, take a big deep breath, pull those arms back, and exhale, press it forward. One more time, pull them up and press it back, and round it forward. Now hold it here. Let go of your hands and push your thumbs back and open your arms super wide, super wide, super wide. And then again, bring it center. And press it back, push it wide, wide, wide. And back to center one last time. And press it out. Yes, take that right arm up. You're gonna drop it behind your head, grab onto the elbow, and pull it behind the head. There you go, and switch arms. Take it down and press it back. Wonderful. And both hands behind the head, big deep breath. And exhale, chin to chest, elbows fall. Take it up, inhale. And exhale. And let that go. During times like this is when we got to get our body moving. The more fluid we have moving, oxygen comes into our brain, the better we feel. Okay? So use what you have in your house, get everybody involved, and really work that body. That way the mind stays strong. Peace out.